Okay, homework assignment for payroll. So this one right here is for chapter 6. So they want us to compute how much the yearly cost for the company and the employee. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to get those answers. So so these are the um, the costs from the previous year, and it says here that 3% increase in pay, and also as well that as this employee contributed more 8% this year, and the company will match 3% of the contribution. So there's also a 15% increase in medical and dental premium. So this is the answer. I got everything correctly. So this is for the company cost, and this is the new cost for the employee. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to get those answers. So for medical benefit, it says here that the medical and dental had increased 15%. So what we're gonna do is I have this calculation here. So the answer for the company cost is um, showing above. So you will get the answer by multiplying the 7,200 times 15%, because the increase is 15%. So this is the answer. So because as you can see here that the medical is $7,200, and then with 15% increase, this is how to calculate it. Okay, so the same thing with the dental. So it's $185 before, and then it increased 15%. So you just calculated it, and the calculation is 185 times 15%. So I did this differently. I just added it. So the answer is $212.75. So if you look at the life insurance, there's no changes. It's $378. I just copied that. As well as the AD&D, there's no changes. Short and long-term disability, there's no changes. And then this is where the change again, $945, because the employee is now contributing 8%. So if we go here and look at the problem, so what I did is whatever the cost of the salary, the increase of the cost of the salary, it used to be this amount, then the salary increased to 3%. So this is the new salary for the employee. So you take this number and you multiply it by 3%, because this is how much the company will put in for the employee, because they are gonna give the employee 3% based on the salary, but there's a maximum. So make sure that you know that there's a maximum. So for as of now, he still haven't reached the maximum. So that what we do is we just take whatever the salary is times 3%. So this is how much the company will contribute to the employee. So this one right here is the same thing, the new salary after the increase, and times 8%, and this is how you get the number. Okay, and then so that's for the 401k. So for the Social Security, the contribution for company and employee is 6.2%. So what we do is the salary, and you need to deduct the medical and dental that the employee had paid. So as you can see here, um, the new salary, and then I deduct the payment for the medical insurance, which is this, and also the dental insurance, times the rate of 6.2%. So that's how you get the number here. And as well as it's the same contribution for the employee and also for the company. So just remember that the new salary, you have to deduct the medical and dental costs, and that's how you get the number. And then for the medical benefit, the same thing is that you take this number, and you deduct the employee cost for medical and dental, and that's how you get the number. So there's no calculation there, but oh, this one right here is how I get the number. So there you go, 1.45%. So this is how much the contribution is. So the salary tuition reimbursement, we just copy it from the previous amount, 2,650, and we just plug it in because there's no changes. So the total cost for the total cost for the company is, this is the new amount, $18,622.65, and so you just total that one. So if you look at my computation, these are all correct. This is how you get the number. All right, I hope this helped. Thank you.